Hey guys, Blackout Bill here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick resistor swap on a 2010 Explorer. Typical symptoms: you get 1 and 2, but not 3 and 4. You only get 4, you only get 3. Usually it's a relay or the resistor. In this case, it's the resistor. The difference, if it's a relay or the resistor, swap a relay and see if it still works. Usually in this truck, at least in this truck, it's the resistor that goes. So we went to Amazon for this one. It's about $37, pretty pricey, and it's under the glove box. Super easy. Let's check it out. Okay, first we're gonna open the glove box. We're gonna ignore the junk. Push tab in, and it will fall. All your stuff as well. And the resistor, let's see if we can get some away. Push all this crap aside, and it's, my hand out of the way. Okay, there's a bolt there, and the other bolt is over here. It's flat against the firewall. See if we can get to that other bolt. Show you that other bolt here. And my camera handle stinks. All right, well, you can see the plug. All right, so there's the plug. Okay, do the tab. Have to get in the way here. Oh, that's what it is. It's over here. Here we go. And so you can push the tab and pull. The tab is underneath. Just push up on it, and the plug will come out. All right, and then there's the one bolt there, and the other bolt's down on the bottom. There you go. And see how it's kind of in the firewall? That's your resistor. And we're gonna take that bolt out. Let me just find out what size it is here. So I slid, that white plug is there. You just push it that way and slide it off to get more access. And then an 8mm bolt. We'll take out this one. And then edit this cramp. And don't want to lose it because the new one didn't come with a new bolt. So don't lose that bolt. Extension gets the other one. It does. So get yourself an extension here. Makes the job 10 times easier. And easy peasy, out it comes. Alright, now this one's got a cushion on it. The new one comes with a cushion. And we're gonna do the unboxing of a standard SMP 100 Year of Excellence Resistor. Now, quick side note, Amazon sells a different resistor for what it says to be a 2010 dual zone, which I don't think they mean, because this one has a dual zone. It's got the back for the back. I think they mean dual zone, like dual climate control for the passenger and the driver. So it's white and it's smaller and it's a little bulkier. That is not the part. Okay, you need this one, the $37 resistor. It's got the flat piece like this. You'll see them when you order them. All right. So anyway, we're gonna. Oh, this one came with the box came with a little squishy pad. There you go. And it's got a sticker. So you stick it onto there and then reinstall. And you just place your new foam pad there. And with the one bolt up in the top. I'm gonna break this thing. It's pretty screws, which I'm not gonna lie, was not as easy as this looks. And screw your bolts in with your 8. And plug it on in. Remember that connecting side is down. And push it straight on. Uh-oh. Oh, is that funny? Nah, it can't be. It is. Uh-oh. Is there 2 ways to flip this? Oh, I hope I didn't ruin this. I bet you I did. I bet you I did. Okay, be careful not to install this thing upside down, because you can put it upside down. Make sure the clip part is on the bottom. And that'll line up right. And now we can push this plug straight on. And we'll put this one plug back where it belongs. Or try to. I see this wire's in my way already. Let's see, we're going straight this way. There we go. Slide it. There you go, so that clip's there. Once that's out of the way, it's easy to get the bolt. Let's test our work.
to your door. With Stitch Fix, you'll get to discover new styles, new brands, and new looks to fit your unique shape and your budget. Discover the stylist and styles
And bingo. It's working on one. Originally, it only worked on 3 and 4, and then all of a sudden just only worked on 4. So that's how we knew, and it's blowing on 1, it's blowing on 2, it's blowing on 3, and you can hear it for yourself. Number 4. That's a fix. And that's the end of this video. Quick and easy 2010 Ford Explorer. Thanks for checking me out, guys. If you found this channel just trying to fix your Ford, and even though you're just gonna pass on by, throw a subscribe. Don't need the notification bell on. You don't need to see my channel all the time. Just need the subscribers. So if you could click the subscribe button, help me out immensely. If I'm past 1,000 at any point, then forget I said any of this. But in the meantime, I'm trying to get there, and I appreciate all the support. So until then, to all my actual subscribers that care what I'm doing, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next repair vid.